And a good day, everybody. This is RB26 here with RB26 is Everything. Now, today is April 12th, 2020 for the categorical weather outlook. And I can tell you one thing, the weather is not letting up. There is a tornado outbreak as we speak. So, we have a marginal risk for parts of California, southern tip of Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, central New Mexico, and the edge of Texas. And we have tornado warnings out for the southern states, such as Mississippi, Alabama, part of Georgia. Enhanced risk for parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas, Oklahoma, parts of Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, and South Carolina, Tennessee, and North Carolina. You have anything in parts of Kansas, Arkansas, parts of Texas, Missouri, Kentucky, my state of Virginia, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, parts of Florida. You're at a slight risk for the parts of the East Coast. We're at a marginal risk. And parts of Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Valley, and Pennsylvania, parts of New York City, you just have thunderstorms. That's for also of parts of Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, and California. And as it was said right here, here's the day one risk. Day one convective outlook, and you can hear the wind picking up outside. Day one is from Norman, Oklahoma. There's a moderate risk for severe thunderstorms for a portion of Mississippi as much as Alabama into western central Florida. Summary: an outbreak of severe thunderstorms is likely through the night, with the greatest threat expected across parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. Strong tornadoes, widespread, damaging winds, and large hail are all possible. Southeast states primarily change in the current outlook has been to trim back on northwestern portion of the moderate to enhanced across Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi. Widespread stratiform precipitation in this region is limiting destabilization potential. Otherwise, primary tornado and damaging wind threat is expected to evolve this afternoon and into the night from Mississippi, Alabama, into Georgia, with the developing storms along the warm conveyor belt associated with an intense low-level jet activity will reach the Carolinas late tonight. Damaging winds and tornadoes, some of which could be strong, are primary threats. Let's see what our tornado percentage is like. We have 2% here in Virginia, 5% in parts of Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida, Louisiana, 10% in Georgia, South Carolina, Richland County, South Carolina, and 15% in Alabama and Mississippi. Now we will go into the wind, and we have a 5% wind threat for Virginia. What the heck just happened? We have a 5% wind threat for Virginia, parts of West Virginia, Ohio, and Tennessee, Illinois, Missouri, and we have a high wind threat for Georgia and everything. And listen, the wind's picking up here at my house. And there's a hail, 30% for parts of Louisiana and Arkansas, parts of Texas, and parts of Oklahoma. And give us a moment and we will check into the radar. Alright, and here's our weather radar for today, April 12th, 2020. And we have 0.74 inches. Look at this. 0.74 inches. That's a lot. To be clear, folks, this is a storm that's you're not supposed to play with. Now, Miss Jewel, if you're watching, please do the weather. I don't want anybody getting hurt. Please. These tornadoes are getting out of hand. Please. I want everybody to be safe. As Miss Jewel always says, be safe out there. I love you guys. Love my viewers. As always, RBT6 driving out. I will give you guys an update on what's going on, possibly tomorrow. As always, I will see you guys on the flip side. RB26 driving out.